up on the north side. From Marysville, Ohio, we're still trying to beat. Well, I don't know about you, but Singer Sledge doing a fantastic job tonight. He's on the south side. And you just know they Singer one of those guys. Tell you what, not a bad goal for just putting it together at 4 o'clock. Second place so far, Randy Fenstermaker from McCall, 297 even. No mercy, 287 and 3. Uh-oh. Looks like you forgot something.
See that? He broke loose.
A small block Timmy Golden. Well, crazy. Not liking the way that was going, left and right and all around.
$153 and 4.
That little shuttle block out there keeping her straight down the track. Let's give him a hand. All the way out here from Milton, Indiana. Got about 30 feet on the rest of the field on the next closest. Bob Reeves and Mighty Mouse. And 4. Oh.
Yeah. Gus. Chase. What?
Here. Powered by a 572 Rodex. Hey, how about that? Almost 324 and 4. 324 and 4, good enough for second place. 324 and 4 for Kyle Campbell. Gonna bring a big ride on the front side there. Then we got Rob Carpenter from New Concord. We said Dave Campbell is still your class leader at 3
that.
I tell you what, Lynn, right there
Yeah.
is a great example of
That's why they have these barriers
right
there.
Knows that sledge out there, knows what to do to keep yourself out of trouble and get that mini rod stopped in good time. Folks, give it a round of applause. 260 and 3 for Rob Carpenter. Not exactly the run we wanted to make. Now, I can tell you what Rob's doing now. He's getting that coat off. He's standing up and shaking his shorts out right now. That's right. I would hope that he's got something in there.
Watch off the bud. You know,
It's going to make this drive all worthwhile. Randy Curtis from Fort Worth, Texas. So far, Dave Campbell still in first place at 327 and 8. Final Fuller in a mini rod class. That's right, let's give him a hand. Randy Curtis, all the way up here from Fort Worth, Texas. Urbana, Ohio.
well, we don't know that yet.
Okay, we leaving?
Yeah, can we leave? Please.
And on the shop track, once again, Ray, go look up the green flag. Thanks to Reese Welding and Cook Farm. You're up right now. Jamie Smith, Marysville, Ohio, get ready to pull.